Yo, we got the new Killakam Speedway, brought to you by the new Killakam cul-de-sac, brought to you by, there she is folks, the moment we've all been waiting for. The last time you guys have seen her, she was all dirt. Yeah, I guess you guys haven't been out here in a while. My neighbors aren't moving in anymore. Wish them luck on whatever they're about to go do. Say welcome. Excuse the gunner, she needs some work. There's the new crib. Let's go show you around a little bit. We got a little driveway. I think it's 18 feet width. Don't judge me. It is what it is. Going into the 2-car garage, aka shelving over there, the gunner, the Stang, whatever else we want to add. You know, with sport bikes coming eventually, the gunner looks like it belongs on a cul-de-sac. Garage area, nothing too crazy. 3-car garage coming next house. You guys already know that. They already got the drywall up, all nice and smoothed out. You walk in, nice little living room area, nothing too crazy. Keep in mind, it's just me and the lady right now. Cabinets are up. They got it covered with everything going on. You see them back there clearing out everything. Those guys putting in the work. My yard, we'll check that out in a second. Coming in up front, extra little bathroom, small little dining room. Got the kitchen in there. Talked to the property manager earlier. He said he's gonna have the granite on early next week, so that'll be kind of cool. Might bring you guys here for that. Upstairs, you're gonna have 4 bedrooms. Oh man, so nice to see this thing. It's so crazy to see it coming from nothing. You got the master here, vaulted ceilings, got some doors. Man, it is just nice to see this thing going up. This is going to be the man cave. So, man cave, theater room. I really just need to put a desk in here and start working. Whether it's stocks, Killakam, editing, whatever. Yeah, nothing too crazy, you guys. Just really stoked on the whole process, ready to move in. Hopefully less than a month out. Just real easy flooring, fixtures. Check the gunner out on the cul-de-sac. You cannot make this up. I'm so excited to have a garage. The whole point of building a house was to have a garage outside of Columbia, undeveloped. Nothing really too expensive out here. Keep in mind, this is my first home. 24 years old. The lady just turned 25 not too long ago. We'll open up the backyard here. The main thing was to, I don't want to break through this. The main thing was to have a yard for the dogs. So it goes all the way from where that black thing goes, all the way, follow my finger. I want to say it's far, man. There's the house so far. Switched it up with the colors. The lady and I, we went darker gray. Got that olive accent, black shutters, 2-car garage, Stang, gunner. The Lexus is staying outside. She already knows that. Oh my goodness, I'm so stoked for this. I'm so ready to move in. So ready to have a garage. God is good. Oh, let's go for a ride. Just wanted to show you a quick little update. I don't know how much I'll show you of the inside. I don't know how much you'll really care. The gunner is good. Gunner just needs some bolts and some, oh man, she's kind of rusting in little areas because the bike cover sucks. That's why we're getting a garage. Starts up, fresh battery. Still got that nice paint. Still sounds insane. Kill Castle right there. They're gonna put little stones at the bottom, driveway, grass, sprinklers. She's gonna be sitting pretty, just like this one. So you see, picture that, but right there. It's gonna look good. And then you got the Stang out there on the driveway. Oof, oof, oof. Find me there. I've already broken in this cul-de-sac a couple times. Neighbors are gonna have to know that's coming.